channel, Glam Dolls, and welcome to all our new subscribers and Happy New Year's! Yay! I hope everybody had a great New Year's. We were pretty low-key at our house, so I am so excited to go into a new year with you guys. And while we're starting that off right, don't forget we have the giveaway going on our channel right now. I'm going to link the video here, and then there's a link down below to get yourself entered in the description box. You'll be winning a plethora of stuff, and you know, for those who have seen that video already, remember every 20 subscribers on top of the 300, we're going to be adding another gift into the giveaway bundle. So already in there, there's Eco Tools makeup brush set. There's a 24 karat nudes Maybelline palette. There is a pair of earrings. There is face masks. And now, because at our 320 mark, I'm adding in the Maybelline City Minis palettes because that was my favorite eyeshadow from the drugstore. It is so pigmented. So I'm going to be throwing one of those in there. And then I'm adding in a liquid lipstick. I haven't decided which one yet or which brand, so I've got to go get that. And then right now I'm filming the night before this goes up, and right now we're at 358 subscribers. So I'm assuming that possibly by tomorrow we'll be at our 360. So I'm going to go ahead and just say I'm going to throw in an Essence mascara, which was also one of my favorite mascaras of 2017. So you guys are getting some of my favorites in there. So make sure you're entered, because whoever wins this is getting a huge bundle, and we are already almost at 400 subscribers. So we're going to be doing another giveaway, you guys. I'm so excited. So yes, good luck to you all. Make sure you're entered. Make sure you tell your family and friends, because the more people who are entered, the more stuff you have a chance to win. So let's get into today's tutorial. Right now I have nothing on my face except my eyebrows and my, basic stuff. We're going to be doing an eye look using the Morphe 350 palette. I bought it a while ago and I haven't really used it much. So I wanted to give some of my older palettes some love, and I was just feeling a little more orangey, coppery vibes, and this palette is perfect for all of that. So we are going to be doing a beautiful look using this old gem today. Mine's all dirty, disgusting, yuck. You would swear that I used it a lot, but I really didn't. I feel like all I've been using lately are my ABH palettes and my Jaclyn Hill palettes, so we're going to give some other palettes some love until I get my Naked Heat palette in tomorrow. So I've ordered a few new things to try out. Well, they're new to me. They're not new out, but they're new to me. So we are going to go ahead and get into the look and stop rambling. All right, guys, see you in just a second. So before I start, I'm going to take Coty Airspun and just place that underneath my eye like I'm baking. And this is going to catch any fallout. And for the transition in the 350 palette by Morphe, I'm going to use this as my transition and just place this all above the crease and in the crease. And then I'm going to use this red-orange color and go a little bit more towards the crease and slightly above it and blend that out. It's going to be like, I don't know, a second transition color, I guess. And then I'm going to take this brick red color on a more angled defined brush and put that into the crease just to define the crease a little bit more, and use it on the outer corner of the eye as well. It doesn't look pretty right now, but we're going to blend it out, so don't worry about being sloppy. And I'm just taking that brush with the red orange on it and just blending those two together. So then I'm going to take this dark brown color on a pencil brush and put that in the inner corner and blend that a little more towards the crease. And this is just going to darken it up a little bit. And then we're going to place it a little bit more in the outer corner just to darken it up a little bit more. And then we're going to blend it out with that reddish brownish color. The one thing I hate the most about these Morphe palettes is that there's no names listed with them, so you kind of just have to follow along, and that's typical with all Morphe palettes. That's just how they roll. So now we're going to go ahead and cut our crease, and I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape on this flat little rinky-dink brush that I got in some Ulta bag. I don't even remember when I got it, to be honest. And we're going to go ahead and cut it, and since I have hooded eyes, what I like to do is raise my eyes up so I can get nice and in there. And we're going to take the concealer all the way to the brown. So then I had some technical difficulties, aka I forgot to turn on the recording. So on the inner corner of the eye to about midway, I used this beautiful gold color. It's a light gold. And then on the remaining part to the brown, I used this coppery red color and kind of did like a gradient from the gold to the red to the brown. And as you will see here, I then just used my finger and kind of blended and married them all together so they all fade into each other. And then I took this highlighter color in the palette. It's the only sparkly highlighter color that's really in there, and put that on the inner corner. And now I'm just going to go ahead and clean up all of the bake underneath the eyes and work on the lower lash line. So I'm going to use the brick red on the base part and make this part a little bit thicker and marry that up into the outer corner of the upper lid. And then we're going to go ahead and take a thinner definer shader brush in that dark brown and keep that as close to the lash line as you possibly can. And again, marry that up into the upper lash line also. And then I'm taking this Japanese dark brown espresso colored eyeliner and tightlining the upper lash line and lower lash line. And then we're going to go ahead and use the Essence liquid liner, and I was gonna do a wing, which would have looked so beautiful with this look, but because I couldn't find any of the liquid liners that I use for a wing, and this one's not thin enough to create the wing that I like, I went ahead and just kept it really simple with my liner today. So I'm gonna use for mascara the Tartiest lash paint that I got in my BoxyCharm just to coat my upper and lower lashes to get them ready for putting on my falsies. I really am not a big fan of this mascara, but oh well. So for lashes, I'm using my Duo Lash Glue with my, I think these are my Allure lashes. Yeah, Allure, but unfortunately I don't have the numbers. Sorry about that. And I'm just popping these babies on and finishing off with some setting spray by Urban Decay. This is the Quick Fix setting spray. And yes, I know it's not setting spray, but it's what I like to use. Now for lips, I'm using the Gentil Bleu lip liner in the color Spice, and I got this, I believe, in my BoxyCharm a while back and haven't really used it since, but it really is a nice color. And for liquid lipstick, I'm using the NYX or NYX Lingerie in number 11. I don't really like the formula, but I love the color. So I will put up with the drying formula just for this beautiful color. And usually when I wear this, I'll put some gloss over top, which is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to use the Japanese highlighter, I can't even talk right now, to highlight my Cupid's bow before I put on my lip gloss, just to give it a little more highlight and definition. And now we're going to pop on that Rimmel lip gloss. This has become one of my favorite lip glosses. It's not too thin and it's not too thick and sticky. It is just flippin' perfect. I highly recommend it, and it's super cheap. So this is the final look. I just wanted something really bronzy and coppery and goldy today. And again, I haven't used my 350 palette much, so I wanted to bust it out. So I hope you guys like this look. And again, this is a palette that I know a lot of people have, or they have colors, so I figured it'd be easy to follow along. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you guys are entered into to the giveaway that's going on right now. It is going on until January 9th, so make sure you get all your entries. You can earn new entries every single day by watching videos. All right, guys, I will see you guys on the next video. Welcome to 2018, y'all. It's going to be a good one.